Today we shall see about how to choose a toothbrush. Toothbrush is the most important tool that can keep your teeth and gums in the best health. And choosing the right toothbrush is important to maintain a good oral hygiene. But with a variety of options available in the market, this would be a seriously difficult task. So let's see what things you should consider while choosing a toothbrush. A toothbrush has a head, bristles, and the handle. The size and shape of the toothbrush head are important while selecting the toothbrush. The heads could be large or small sized, and they could be narrow, flat, or curved shaped. A small head with a curved edge will be able to reach difficult areas in the mouth, mainly the back teeth, and can help in removing the food particles effectively. In comparison, a large head might be difficult to do the same action. Bristles are the most important part of a toothbrush. They can be soft, medium, and hard, although extra soft or ultra soft bristles are also available. Dental associations recommend the use of soft bristle toothbrush with moderate pressure, as they do not cause damage to the teeth and the gums. Medium and hard bristles may lead to injury to the gums and wearing of the tooth surface. Bristles can also be arranged in a crisscross manner. They can be multi-leveled, flat, or concave. All these varieties are introduced so that they can cover different areas of the teeth and clean the teeth effectively. But if the correct technique is used, even brushing with the regular bristles can effectively clean hard to reach areas. Bristle handles are used to hold the brush comfortably and guide the brush in the correct areas. A flexible handle with a rubber grip can be good to hold with better control and comfort. So these are the basic type of toothbrush and designs that are available to choose. In addition to this, there are a lot of modifications and advancements in brushes, like the electric or power toothbrush, those with color indicators, and even bamboo toothbrushes, which we will cover in the future videos. So the takeaway point from this video is to use a soft bristle toothbrush with a small head and a flexible handle that has a non-slip grip. But in the end, choosing the toothbrush is about an individual choice. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like the information. Keep watching Dental Art Smile Studio for more such informative topics.